Remember the difference between net pay and gross pay. Gross pay is just the total that you're going to get. Net pay is the actual amount of money you get after all of your deductions are taken off. All right. November 9th. So here we're going to figure out numbers for regular pay, double time, and overtime. And then we're going to figure out what our gross pay is. That's the total amount. Then we have to take off our deductions. And you see here, income tax is taken off, employment insurance, Canada pension plan. And this person has to pay union dues because they're part of a union. So how are we going to calculate our regular pay? Well, we work 40 hours at $24 an hour. Pretty good job. $960 would be our regular time. There's double time, so when you're working double time, you get paid twice as much. So this is how they give incentive for people to work on days that they normally wouldn't like to work, or maybe incentive to work the shift from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. If you come in, we'll pay you double time. And so working only 4.5 hours, you get paid $216. And overtime, you have 8 hours at $36 an hour. That's time and a half for $288. If we want to calculate our gross pay, that's going to be all of those ones added up together. Plus, in this person's work, they're also given vacation pay. So an extra $64.48. That'll go to a vacation. Adding those all up, we get a gross pay of $1,528.48. Our deductions, if we add up all of our deductions there, $539.21 plus $29.93 plus $83.96 plus $45.74, $698.84 are our deductions. Now we can calculate our net pay by taking our gross pay, which is $1,528.48, and subtracting our deductions. $1,528.48 minus $698.84. $829.64 is how much money you're going to actually be taking home. So initial paycheck looked really good at $1,528. Then after all the deductions, almost $700 in deductions, and you only take home $829.64. So that's a lot of deductions. Now this is 1 week. Still a pretty good job, pretty good wage, but you see that there is a fair number of deductions that get taken off of your paycheck. So what I'd like you guys to do, did we make a mistake somewhere in our adding? Might have been.
No, you didn't. I was reading the wrong area.
Okay. Well, they have Why do they have 148 when they add the vacation pay? Anyways, what I'd like you to do is try this one. All right, let's check how you guys did. A, B, and C, did you get 500, 100, and 37.74? Added those up and the vacation pay to get $663.25 for your gross pay. Add up all your deductions and you get $179.59. And then your net pay becomes $483.66.